Good day everyone, I'm Jamal Siswaso. So as we can see in this artwork, so their society or a group of people or like nagmarites sila for one person. So it's like na center kita na to nga in a center of the artwork kita na to ang one person nga daghan og kanang nag-judge sa iya, so nag-discriminate sa isa ka tao kay as we all know that society itself judgmental gyud siya. So there are some questions regarding the art that catch my attention. So the first question is, what do I see going on this work of art? If there is their story depict. So for me, in my own perspective, yes, there is a story involved. It seems like what I've said, one person being judged by the society. No. Then second question, what details are visible? Are there details I can't see or which are difficult to understand? So in my art, everything is visible man. Then even though pencil ra ang gigamit, but as we can see, the art is fully visible. Then the third question, what do any details of image tells me about the objective? What might have been the origin, purpose of context of this object? So this image represent the society nowadays. As we can see nga ang society jud is grabe na ka, let's say grabe na ka dautan, grabe na ka kanang ka-judgmental bitaw. Leon mo to siya. So the fourth, what seems the most important thing to notice about the object? So first thing yun nga akong na-notice sa maong artwork is ang person nga nasa center mo ang gi-judge sa society, or judge sa mga people atong art. And then what materials are used, techniques were used. So the artwork the materials that being used in the artwork is pencil and I guess charcoal, tong black, and then techniques, shading, something like that. And then how are different visual elements like line, color, lights, proportions, scales, compositions, etc. used to help make sense or lean my eyes around the objectives? So how different visual elements? So there are lines and then lightings sa maong artwork, kay naman to'y kanang materials nga pencil nga color white, and then it's a need a technique para i-blend to siyang nga maong nga materials. That's all.